there's a magpie bird.
Oh, yeah.
Who there's a bottle of water in some playground area, park area, and it goes up to the bottle of water and it dips its beak in to drink from it. Okay, here it is. See it?
Yeah.
Okay, it goes in and drinks from it. To watch. It's going to drink. But the problem is there's a limit to how far its beak can reach inside of it. So it gets a stone that fits inside the bottle, which raises the water level so that its beak can continue to drink from it.
Yeah.
This is some Archimedean crazy stuff going on.
It really is.